What are the things needed in this experiment? First is 40 grams of ethanol, 40 grams of gasoline, 2 40 grams of water, a gas lighter, 2 pieces of paper, tongue, and that's all. Ethanol is colorless and also called alcohol. Now let's add 40 grams of water to both ethanol and gasoline. Did you know gasoline contains 10% of ethanol? This is how our solution looks like. Dip the paper in the mixture. Make sure it is soaked properly. Take out the paper with the help of the tongue. Shake it gently to remove any excess liquid. Now, use the gas lighter to burn the paper and observe the result. Repeat what I did in the first one. Shake it gently and use again the gas lighter to burn the paper and observe the result. This is the paper that was dipped and burned from water and gasoline solution. Due to different boiling temperature, all that burned is the gasoline only. You can see that some part of the paper are still locked wet because the gasoline and water don't have same densities. Mixing cannot occur. This is the paper that was dipped and burned from water and ethanol solution. As you can see, the paper still look like before because the water and ethanol have same density. And again, due to different boiling temperature, all that burn is ethanol only.
Hi everyone, my name is Labji Dumadeg and my experiment is called Balloon in the Heat. So, ang atong butang nga gamiton karon is water. Then, the lamp flame, balloons, and also the matches. So, ato sa sigaon ang atong lamp flame. So, sige na. Then, first we have to do atong obserbaran kung maunsa ang balon kung hangin ra. Normally hangin ra may ating ibutang ani kung unsay mahitabo kung ato ibutang sa heat. So let's do this. So atong tagag hangin. Let's try. 1, 2. So, ang resulta, nibuto. Tungod sa ka-init. Nibuto ang balon. Ato na po pasigaon. So, ang atong ikaduhang experiment is, what if we have to put a water in the balloon? See, let's try kung unsay mahitabo. So, nanay water. Putahan po na itong hangin para mas mukuan. Dako siya. So ano hangin. Ug naa na po siya water sa sulod. Ato ihikot para makuan. So let's try kung unsay mahitabo kung naanay siya tubig sa sulod. Unsay mahitabo. So let's see. One, two, three, 4, 5. So sa atong hinit ra siya. Igo ra siya di init. So and ato atrohon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So init ra gid siya. Wala siya ni buto. So normally why this form nga nahinga yani siya wa siya ni buto because of heat conduction. So ang water nga atong gisulod ani to be explain, ang tungod ani water nga nisulod sa balon ni pull siya sa heat nga atong gibutang sa balon. Siya ang ni bira sa heat para mo absorb didto ra sa water ang kaning heat because the water is the most ang pinaka usog mo absorb og tubig. Siya ang the most absorbent of tubig of water rather. So mo to siya og kani siyang atong pinakaunang experiment is diboto siya tungod kay hangin lang ang sulod mao nang dili siya mo absorb because of hangin lang, air lang ang sulod. Mo tong niboto because he make a small tiny hole nga ni melt sa kuan na tiny hole nga ni init ang kuan nahimo siyang carbon dioxide. Sa ang iyang carbon dioxide pag muinit siya mubuto explode gina siya. So ang atong experiment is called heat conduction and thank you.
Hi, my name is Benjilo Illustrada. I am going to show you the experiment of temperature. We have 3 glasses here with different temperature. First is the cold water, the tap water, and the hot water. The tap water is our controlled temperature. Here we have brown sugar. We put it in the glass of 1 tablespoon each. Stir each glass 10 times. Here we observe hot water or the high temperature have the soluble dissolve faster. Second, tap water which is our controlled temperature. Last is the cold water or the low temperature. that dissolves the soluble slower than the 3 glass. Temperature refers to how hot or cold a certain substance is. Usually, a rise in temperature of 10 degrees Celsius doubles the reaction rate. The rate of a chemical reaction increases with the increasing temperature. As the temperature increases, collision between atoms and molecules becomes faster, resulting to build-up of more energy. The increased kinetic energy will equal to or exceed the activation energy, resulting to more collisions, giving rise to a reaction.
Sugar crystallization. First, you need a glass of water. Add sugar in the water, stir, and keep dissolving. Pour the solution in the pot and add some more sugar. After 7 or 8 minutes, pour the solution in the glass carefully. Take any string or a small rope and tie it in any form of stick. In this case, I used a pencil. Leave it overnight. You can also do this with salt using the same process and steps. We can also apply crystallization method for purification of soil that we get from seawater. Thank you. Fill up the cup. Bring the water to boil on a hot plate. Place the lid on the coffee cups. Insert the temperature probe through the lid into the water. Record every 10 seconds for 180 seconds. Fast forward. Obtain a metal block, bolts and nuts. Record the identity and mass of the sample. Record the temperature every 10 seconds for 180 seconds. Open the lid, allowing the temperature probe to briefly come out of the water. With extreme care, transfer the metal from the coffee cups. Keeping the base of the coffee cups on the table. Swirl the water by moving the cup in a small circular motion. Continue data collection until time has elapsed.
First of all, read all materials like two magnet, two wires, one coil, and one small bulb. First, tap the magnet into the wood. And second, get the coil into the magnet. Paste the one bulb into the wood. Then connect the wire ground into the first magnet, and the second connect the live in the second magnet. And that is all experiment magnetic bulb.